Ready to ditch the messy clipboards and pens at your next event and capture leads like a pro? Today, we're diving into Zoho CRM Kiosk, your secret weapon for effortless lead capture, instant feedback, and streamlined data collection, all feeding directly into your Zoho CRM. First, download the Zoho CRM Kiosk app from the App Store or Google Play Store onto your tablet. Open the app and log in using your Zoho CRM credentials. Make sure the user you log in with has the necessary permissions to create and access records in Zoho CRM. You'll see the main dashboard here. You can choose between creating a lead capture form or a feedback form. Let's start with lead capture. Tap on lead capture. You can customize the lead capture form to include exactly the fields you need, like name, email, company, phone number, and any custom fields relevant to your business. Click on the icon to add a field, drag and drop the fields to reorder. Now, place your tablet at your event booth. As attendees approach, simply have them fill out the form directly on the tablet. Once submitted, the data instantly syncs to your Zoho CRM as a new lead. No more manual entry. You can also set up an automatic response to be sent after submission. Now, let's look at feedback forms. The process is similar. Tap on feedback form from the dashboard and customize the questions you want to ask. This is perfect for gathering customer opinions about your product or service. Finally, explore the settings here. You can customize the theme to match your branding, adjust privacy settings, and even enable offline mode, ensuring you can collect data even without an internet connection. This is the power of Zoho CRM Kiosk, ready to level up your event game.